All right, good Tuesday morning, everybody. We are live talking about a few things. Fiesta begins in a couple of days, so we're monitoring the weather on that. Also, a few storms in the forecast, mainly in the late night hours. We'll chat about the timing in just a little bit, but this is the sneak peek at the first day of Fiesta, which officially begins, excuse me, on Thursday. It'll be a hot day. Temperatures near 90 this coming Thursday. And then late in the evening and in the pre-dawn hours, that's when a few storms will be moving through South Texas, and that may produce a severe weather threat, which we'll talk about in just a moment. But that's a sneak peek at the first day of Fiesta. Temperatures near 90 in the afternoon, very hot and humid with rain on the way. Speaking of rain, we saw a few showers early this morning between about 6 a.m. and now. Things are still cloudy. It's very overcast and very dreary outside. Some reduced visibility in a few areas. Temperature-wise, we're sitting in the 70s, so very tropical air. Now, the observation you're seeing right here is from the airport. So temperature at 72, and also there is some light rain, drizzle, and mist, that kind of variety of rain. Out there this morning, 11:36 on your Tuesday. East winds very light, 5 to 10, and temperatures are very warm. Take a look. 81 in San Marcos, 72 here in the city, 75 at Carrizo Springs, and 82 at Del Rio. So it's a very warm and humid start. Winds aren't too breezy, a very light wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour inside the city and inside Bexar County. More of a nice breeze south of San Antonio towards George West, Beeville at 23 to 25 miles an hour with those wind gusts. So there's the forecast. We'll rewind it back, show you what we have. There it is right there. So some morning sprinkles, that'll continue through about 1 or 2. A light morning shower, not out of the question, through about 2 and 3 p.m. Otherwise, mostly dry for the rest of the day. Later tonight, dry, temperatures in the 70s overnight, lower 70s by tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. early Wednesday. It's going to be another humid and tropical start to the day. And then, again, another chance for rain in the morning hours, probably just some drizzle for early Wednesday. Meantime, your forecast for today, high temperature of 86, going to be warm and humid. A few breaks in the sky here and there, with light winds from the southeast, 5 to 10. Now, earlier this morning, again, a few showers that produced maybe 1/100th to 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. Now we're scanning on radar. We're not seeing much in some of these low clouds. Yeah, there may be a few areas of light rain and drizzle. Can't really rule that out, but otherwise, mostly cloud cover. You'll notice the dividing line and clearing line out west. Clear skies in West Texas, San Angelo, Lubbock, El Paso. It's mostly clear and sunny out there. And then also more sunshine out in North Texas, and some of that rain that's moving through Northeast Texas. None of it's severe, but there are a few showers up and down I-35 between Waco, DFW, and Northeast Texas, but mostly that light variety of rain. Now, if you look closely on water vapor, two things kind of pick out and stick out to you. We are focusing on the one out west. You can see a spinning area of rain and moisture out near Minnesota, parts of the Midwest, and across the Dakotas. That's a storm system that'll impact the northeast United States later this week, but out farther west near LA, near the Baja Peninsula, west of El Paso, that is an upper level disturbance. That's not very strong in nature, but what it will do in the next couple of days through tonight, through tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday, move over Texas. And again, it won't be very strong, but what it will do is provide some lift and some upper energy in the atmosphere to get a few storms going in the forecast. So here's tomorrow night, 5 p.m., a few thunderstorms out near Del Rio, Eagle Pass, moving across parts of Uvalde. Let's rewind that back. This is tomorrow night at 8 and 9 p.m. And this is just a forecast model. We know storms will be around, but where exactly do they move through? San Antonio could be in the line of that. So again, isolated, scattered activity for thunderstorms tomorrow night after 6 p.m. Same thing into the overnight. Thursday for the first day of Fiesta. Mostly dry, temperatures near 90, some sunshine in the afternoon, and then after 7 p.m. a few thunderstorms will be possible for the first night of Fiesta. Isolated activity. Some of that could produce hail. Better chance at rain Saturday evening into Sunday morning as a cold front is draped across North Texas, and then it pushes south into San Antonio sometime Saturday night, and that may produce some pockets of heavy rain for the first weekend of Fiesta. So not a lot of days of rain, but we have several rain chances in the late nights, tomorrow night and Thursday night, and the same thing for Saturday night, which could amount to an inch of rainfall between now and next Monday. It's a pretty good soaking rain in some of these isolated cells in the forecast, so we'll watch it very closely. But here's your 7-day. It is the first weekend of Fiesta right now, 50% coverage on the first Saturday. First day of, if you're going to Taste of New Orleans or Oyster Bake, I think everything should go off without a hitch, but again, maybe around 8 or 9 p.m. there will be a couple of isolated storms around Thursday night. 40% coverage on that rain Thursday evening. Friday, mostly dry, 86, some morning drizzle, maybe an isolated storm late at night. Same thing on Saturday night. But again, our best rain chance is this Saturday, 50 to 60% coverage on scattered rain. And some of that could be thunderstorms moving in from the north ahead of a cold front. Will it be cold? No. Sunday will be a lot cooler, though. 72 for a high Sunday afternoon with a morning low in the 50s, with drier weather on tap for Sunday afternoon and then Monday as well. So again, that's the first week of Fiesta, guys, and we'll leave it on the forecast a little longer. Again, have the umbrella handy in the car. I think there will be rain around later this week, especially Thursday night and Friday night, and then most especially Saturday as a cold front moves through in the middle of April. It's not going to be a strong cold front, but what it will do is reinforce some drier and cooler air, drop the humidity, and overnight lows will be more near average in the upper 50s and highs cooler than average in the lower to middle 70s. Have a great Tuesday, and we'll see you later.